Welcome. I've been wanting to draw a picture of a crow or a raven for a really long time. And so I was a little nervous, wanting to do my best because I wanted to give this to my mom for her birthday. And so I did a lot of observations. I took a look at some little doodles of crows that were simple and fun. And I looked at a lot of photos of crows and particularly paying close attention to the shape of their bodies and how their feathers laid. And then I looked at some scientific drawings and some skulls and a few skeletons as well so that I could see their anatomy a little bit better. Some of the doodles that I do for this channel are just quick little things I think of on the fly, and I just do them really quick and I'm like, oh, I think maybe my friends on YouTube would like that. And some are a long time coming, or they are requests that are specific from people either through the channel or just people that ask me in person. Most of them are with somebody in particular in mind, or something that I'm going to use for a card for somebody. I really love making videos for YouTube because I always wanted to make cards, and I'd find myself buying cards and spending a lot of money and a lot of time and not coming up with quite the perfect card for somebody, and looking on YouTube and different places I would try and look for inspiration. So I just think if you're out there like I am thinking, ooh, I'd like to make something for somebody, it would be nice for you to have one more place where you can look. And I know that Halloween is coming up here in the United States, and there's other fall holidays around this time, and the crows are perfect for holiday festivities. It's kind of tricky drawing something that's completely black like a crow and yet wanting to capture some of the shape and dimension of the crow. And so one thing that I did was I tried to look at every different section of the crow's body and use different lines to show that they were different. So the head, I made little teeny lines hoping to show that there are little feathers there. On the wing, I tried to use another shape, a little bit more scalloped, and then some longer swooping lines. And then I carried some of the shape of the head down below to the breast, and the tail I saw in some of the pictures, I could actually see that each feather was a big feather, and so I tried to make those angles down there. Of course, as I color them all in, you can't really see that as much, but I was hoping that it would add a little bit of shape and dimension and still have that look of the black crow. And I did just use a black pencil throughout, a little bit of a charcoal on the legs, and then this little stump he's sitting on, I also wanted to make not too bright so it wouldn't really stick out, and the crow could be featured. Thanks for joining me. Like and subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.